Oh no, disconnector! So, this is the monitor I was repairing the other day, and as you can see, it is working. I shall turn it off now. Off. There you go. So, I'll show you what I've done. Lift up this carefully, because it's all balancing carefully on my lap. See, it looks good in here, doesn't it? But what we've got is one of these eBay modules. So I bought a... Oh, I can't see here in this angle. Let me rejiggle. So I've bought this eBay module. So this is just a generic CFL driver on eBay. Wired it into the connections. So I've had to work out which is 12 volt, 5 volt and all that sort of stuff. Wire it in. And there are some wires missing which are no longer needed. Green and white apparently. So I'll just leave that dangling around the case. Strap it up somewhere. They're basically dimmer controls. This hasn't got any dimming. This is just on full brightness now, which is fine because that's what the last owner did, was have it full brightness. But it's working again. So this screen's got a new lease of life. So that is repaired. I'm calling that a good one. Right, thank you for that. That was a very quick update on fixing this. I shall see you later. Bye for now.